My name is Jerron Thomas. I'm a fireman, AEMT, and today we're at McCollum Airport. This apparatus is the ARFF apparatus, which stands for Aircraft Rescue and Firefighting Apparatus. It holds about 3,000 gallons of water, 420 gallons of foam, and 550 pounds of Purple K, which is our a dry chemical powder. I got certified this year in May. It's just interesting. It's something different. It's an avenue I didn't know was even available or possible. And I just jumped at the opportunity to come over here, and people are willing to train me as well. So there's really just a lot of other firemen, engineers, lieutenants, captains that poured into me. And I've just been enjoying my experience so far.